Follow the steps on how to create a shape with a fluid effect like this in Illustrator. Let's start by creating 2 circles. Select, remove the stroke and fill with color. Select the object, then open Pathfinder. Open Options and make Compound Shape. Next, open Appearance. Open FX, Path and Offset Path. Set the offset value higher and change joins to round. Add one more offset path. Set the offset to a negative value. Double-click and now you can see the results. You can also edit the offset path. Or you can also duplicate the shape. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.